Hi everyone, I'm Kim Kieber, FCSS Outcome Measures Trainer, and this video is to introduce you to what's new for 2021 in regards to the FCSS Volunteer Income Tax data collection tools. So first off, if you're new to using the resources, I'm going to recommend that you watch all of the other videos first, because this one might not make much sense if you haven't watched those other ones first. The tools for 2021 are the same as 2020. However, the document on where to find the information, that sheet, it's been updated to reflect the new line numbers in the tax return and summary page. The video still accurately explains how to use the document, but the document itself has been updated from what you see in the video. As well, the registration forms are the same as they were last year, but there are just a couple small changes to the registration forms from when the instructional videos were made. Before I show you that, I'll just remind you that the registration form is for you, so you can change it however you would like. The critical piece is the piece at the bottom that is shaded in gray, and I will show you that. I'm going to try to share screen. So the first thing to be aware of when it comes to the registration form is that we have two versions, and that was just created based on different people's feedback and different people's desire. So the first version, the only difference on it from the instructional video is that under gender, we now provide X as an option to represent those who don't identify either as male or female. So that's the registration form A. That's the only difference. So then I would like to share with you option B. There, again, the difference would be that there is now an X as an option for gender. And then the other piece is that we have taken out the eligible for child tax benefit part, because in some communities they were finding that the volunteers were finding that too confusing. They wanted it taken out. So we have done that. And then some folks wanted to add the relationship to the taxpayer, as they thought that that was important. So with B option, the other thing that we added is at the gray shaded part in the bottom. Some folks wanted the day or date or month that the return was processed, and then the date that the data was entered into the Excel spreadsheet. Because for some of you, you do all of your returns, you tear this part off, you just put it in a file folder, and then months later you'll go in and add the data. So if you don't do it that way, or you don't care about those, you don't need to worry about the month return processed or data entered. But if you want to, it's there. And again, this is the shaded gray part that we do not want you to change if you want your data rolled up with provincially in the provincial aggregation. This is the information that you will need. And the order that it is in is based off of the order that you enter it onto the data Excel spreadsheet. So hopefully that will assist you. The Excel spreadsheet is the same as it has been, but some people are still struggling with using it accurately. So again, I would just ask you to rewatch videos, I believe 5 and 6, on how to use the, where is it, 4 and 5? Anyways, you'll find out when you go look. To help you learn how to use it accurately, the key is do not change it. Don't delete any of the formulas, insert rows as you're instructed to do, just to ensure that it's all done properly and that we can use your data at the end of the year after you've gone through all this effort. So that's basically it for what's new for 2021. The only differences from the videos outlined here. So again, thank you to everybody who is taking the effort, making the effort to use these tools. And if you have any questions or problems or need help using these tools, contact your outcome measures trainer. Contact information is in video that is numbered number 2. Yeah, and that's it. So thanks everyone.